ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Inihahandog ng ABS-CBN mula sa produksyon ng Star Creatives ang isang bagong obra.
Siya si Mitch, isang OFW sa Taiwan, nangarap, nagsakripisyo, at mabait sa pamilya. Siya yung tipo ng tao na hindi takot masaktan dahil sa mga pinagdaanan niya sa buhay. Hindi man perpekto, pero ginagawa niya pa din ang lahat para sa pamilya. Madaming pawis at pagod siyang pinagdaanan. Pero lumalaban pa din. 37 taon, simula nang dumating ka sa mundong ito. Isa kang biyaya para sa iyong magulang na kailanman hindi yan mapapantayan. I hope you enjoy your special day. Wishing you the very best of your life, healthy lifestyle, and a good fortune for your future. Wala naman na kayong bang hilingin sa iyo kundi ang matupad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Mag-ingat ka palagi.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Mitch.
Happy birthday, Ate Mitch!
Happiest birthday to you.
Mitch, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Mitch!
Happy birthday, Mitchie!
Happy birthday.
Message from Ria. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. By Oprah Winfrey. Happiest birthday to the most generous and fabulous person I've ever met. On your special day, I hope you feel as loved and supported as you make everyone else feel. Wishing you all the best, always Pro. Thank you for helping and guiding me in times when I'm in doubt. May you continue to motivate others and be the best version of yourself always. Enjoy. Love you.
Hi, Ate Mitch. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health always. Sana guide ka lagi ni Lord sa mga plans mo, kung saan ka man mapunta. Excited ako sa lahat ng blessings.
Happy birthday, Ate Mitch! Ko lang sa'yo is, syempre, good health and matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, and I'm wishing you all the best in life. Mag-iingat palagi. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ate Mitch! Ate Mitch, happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Sana maging masaya ka sa buhay. Ingat love you, Mama Chup Chup. Happy birthday, Ate Mitch! Amping sa imong paglakaw. Last birthday na ni mo diri sa Taiwan. Salamat. Salamat sa tanan.
Happy birthday, Ate Mitch! Stay humble. Ayun na yun.
Hi, Ate Mitch! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sana malasing mo kami.
Hi, Mitch. Happy birthday. I wish you a happy New Year Christmas and Happy New Year. Mabuhay ka hanggat kailan mo gusto. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Mitch! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors. Enjoy your day today. Kay last birthday na ni mo diri sa Taiwan. Sa Pinas na ako. Salamat sa tanante, sa mga ayong, and take care always.
Happy birthday, Ate Mitch!
Happy birthday, Mitchie!
Last birthday mo na dito sa Taiwan, kaya lasingin mo kami. Mag-enjoy tayo, ha? Thank you so much.
Thank
Love
you,
you.
Mitchie! Thank you!
Hi, Ate Mitch. Happiest birthday to you. I
for being one of my ate in Warban. And thank you for the good memories and love that we shared together. Happy birthday ulit. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I love you, Ate Mitch. Bye-bye.
Birthday, Ate Mitch. Enjoy your day and God bless po. I love you.
Hello, Ate Mitch. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Magpainom ka na. Magpainom ka na. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Mitch. Happy birthday. May your day be filled with love and surprises. Enjoy to the fullest. Happy birthday.
Hi Mitch, happy 37th birthday. OMG, 37 ka na. Akala ko 17. Sa liit mo yan. Enjoy your day, God bless. And buhay ka hanggat kaya mo. Okay? Fighting.
Isa sa pinakabuotang taon akong nakaila. Happy birthday, bigat lang. Hi, Ate Mitch. My teacher, my mom, my inay, my ate. Happy birthday. I know you'll enjoy this day kasi, you know, it's a blessing from God na may celebrate ka na naman ng another +1 in your life. So, yun, Ate Mitch, wish ko lang na I hope ini-enjoy mo lang yung everyday journey, and I hope your goals and plans in life will be granted kasi alam ko naman na you have this determination in your heart, and I know what your heart desires talaga because, you know, we have that connection. And sana mag-iingat ka lang palagi wherever you go, kung ano man yung gagawin mo, kung ano man yung plans mo and decision. I know you can make it, and nandito lang ako if you need someone to lean on, if you need someone to hear your unspoken thoughts. I am just here. You can rely on me. I'm just one call away. Pero minsan hindi kasi, you know, hindi ako nagmo-monitor ng phone. Sorry naman. So, yun. I hope one day na kahit hindi naman tayo magkasama kasi, you know, ilang months na lang ikaw dito sa Taiwan, you're going back to the Philippines or wherever you are. I hope na one day mag-meet pa rin tayo kasi hindi ka na iba sa akin. Naging part ka na ng life ko dito sa Taiwan. Ikaw na rin yung naging sandigan ko, yung naging advisor ko, ikaw na rin yung nagiging ate ko dito sa Taiwan. And thank you so much. Thank you very much for being good to me.
Happy birthday to you. Nagbibideo ako parang tanga. Happy lang. Sana mapasaya ka ngayong araw na to kasi it's your special. And sana, alam mo na yun.